guys, welcome back to Tech with TJ. Today I got a channel update video for y'all. The first thing I wanted to bring up is we hit that 50 plus subscriber mark. So I just wanted to thank everyone that's subscribed to me. And if not, please consider to do that. But this is just a video that's kind of unscripted. I did write some bullet points down, so if you see me kind of looking up, that's why. I just don't want to ramble and waste your guys' time. But to get kind of started with it, I wanted to tell you guys kind of where I'm at now. So you might have noticed I've been doing a lot of tech reviews. I do like to do those videos, but I would like to space them out, mix them up with some other types of videos. But for now, I'm going to stick with tech reviews because they help me talk to a camera, because it's a lot different than, talking to a person. And I want to make sure I'm giving you guys the best videos that I can. And to do that, I need practice. So the tech reviews, I kind of use them as practice, pretty much, is what I'm saying. And video editing, things like that, I'm also new to. So I think tech reviews are just the perfect type of video to practice with, pretty much. Another thing I wanted to talk about is the affiliate program. I did join the Amazon affiliate program and am able to create like custom links to different items that I mention or promote in my video. What that does, it doesn't add any cost to y'all. All it does, it gives me a small commission. And if you guys don't want to support the channel that way, or don't feel comfortable clicking on those links, that's completely okay. I will include non-affiliate links too for y'all, so that way you can click whichever one you feel comfortable with. You might notice in the next couple of weeks, I do a lot of reviews for the brand Fifon. They were nice enough, and I reached out to them, and they kind of agreed to semi-sponsor me. So I will be doing a lot of reviews on their stuff. I didn't sign anything that it forces me to say nice things about them. They're not paying me at all, so they are going to be honest reviews. They're not going to be completely sponsored to where you can't tell if I'm being honest or not. If the product is bad, I'm gonna let you know right now. I'm gonna say it's bad and email them and say, hey, this product, you need to change it because it's bad. So you guys can, hopefully you guys trust me enough to give an honest review. Kind of about the future of this channel. As I mentioned, I am doing those reviews right now and things like that. I do want to start switching it up. I have some video ideas planned already for 3D printing, PC building, and Homelab tutorials, which I'm very excited about, and I'm still kind of working out the details about getting them done, but I do have them planned at least. So hopefully you guys will stick around and I can get around to those videos to start recording and things like that. That's really all I had for you guys today. If you guys have any questions or comments you want to say, please, feel free to leave them down below. I'll try to answer them as fast as possible. But in the meantime, thank you guys so much, and check out, all the other videos on my channel. In the meantime, I'll catch you later.